Time for weights.
Picking up those weights. It's your last strength move in this circuit, so I really want you guys to stay strong.
Don't phone it in.
Sink on down. And 1, 2. Now, let's go over a few things real quickly. We're over 4. We should be really tight on that. The idea here in the progression is that we're keeping a constant contraction on the legs. That's why it's a little bit harder.
You gotta have a constant contraction on your legs. You gotta bend down. Yeah, there you go, Kimani. I know, it's supposed to hurt. Don't hurt your back, though.
Yeah, be careful.
You don't have an injury.
I am having an injury right now. Injury.
Beautiful. Let's send them down. Get them out right
Ooh, this is the fun part.